infix to postfix conversion. So if I write a plus b, it is an infix, plus ab is prefix, and ab plus is postfix. So before making conversion, any expression, any infix expression you want to convert it to postfix expression, you need to keep in mind the precedence of operators, the hierarchy of operator, which operator is to be evaluated first. So as we know, parenthesis is having a higher priority, then multiplication, division, and then addition and subtraction. You need to apply the rules of precedence. Look at the example. A plus b multiplied by c. We have two symbols, two operators, plus and multiplication. So multiplication is having higher priority when you compare with addition, so it's converted first. So look at the second line, a plus bc multiplication, and then is your addition. And the major rules to remember during the conversion is the operations with highest precedence are to be converted first. So the same example, once you just put parenthesis, look at the second one, a plus b is placed within parenthesis, as parenthesis is having higher importance when you compare with any of the operators, which is the one which is placed within parenthesis is to be evaluated first. So a plus b is evaluated first, so it is ab plus and then c and multiplication. And the rules are simple, very simple. The rules, what are the rules to be followed while converting is, you need to know the order of precedence. So we have 5 binary operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiations. So we have symbols denoting all binary operations. So we'll see some more examples. A plus b minus c, a plus b multiplied by c, and a plus b within parenthesis divided by c minus d, and etc. So these are the outputs of the previous expressions. And sub expressions plays very important role in doing the transactions. So you need to keep in mind the expression, operators, and sub expressions, everything, and based on that you try to convert it into postfix notation. So in case of large expressions, we need to follow certain rules while doing the transactions. So look at the conversion algorithm. It's having 6 rules. You scan the input string, which is in infix notation, that is your input string from left to right. If the next symbol scanned is an operand, then you append it to the postfix string. If it is an operator, if the symbol is an operator, look at rule number 3. If the symbol is an operator, you pop and append to postfix string every operator on the stack. So if you have a parenthesis, then you check till you find the right parenthesis. So when the right parenthesis is seen, all the operators down to the most recently scanned left parenthesis must be popped and appended to the postfix string. When the infix string is completely scanned and the stack still contains some operators, and all the remaining operators should be popped and appended to the postfix string. We'll see all the 6 rules with a simple example here. So look at the input expression. A plus B multiplied by C by D minus E. Yeah, you look at the table. So you are from left to right, you are scanning the input string from input expression from left to right. You are with A, so A is added to postfix string, and is your symbol now. The symbol is placed in stack. Look at rules. And the next one is B, and added to means appended to postfix string, and we have symbol multiplication which is placed within stack, and C and division. Look at division. Look at this stage. Look at this division. So we have 4 operators plus multiplication, division and subtraction, and out of which multiplication and division are having higher precedence, as multiplication and division are having equal importance. So multiplication is to be evaluated first. So at this stage, look at the postfix string A, B, C and multiplication symbol. Now is your D, and again symbol minus. So all the symbols are over, and you try to apply the symbols which are available. So division and plus. Now is your E. So entire string is scanned, and the leftover operator is minus and is applied. That is your rule number 6. So we'll see another example where we have brackets, parenthesis. So look at the sub expression C minus D is placed within brackets. So we started scanning the input string, the input expression from left. So left parenthesis is in stack A, and plus is stack and B, and multiplication, and again opening parenthesis, and C minus D closing parenthesis. When the parenthesis is closed, means when you encounter the right parenthesis, you try to solve the sub expressions within that based on the priority. So at this stage minus is applied, and again another bracket is closed, that is another parenthesis, right parenthesis. So what are the symbol pending? What are the operators there? So we have plus and multiplication, and so they are applied based on the priority, and again we have slash and E. So as we know, rule number 6, all if after the entire expression is scanned and the leftover symbols, the leftover operators to be applied.